Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate with a score of 2.79. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 15.26% since we first recommended buying Intel 15 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.02% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend after reaching the upper part. A breakup at the top trend line at $44.99 would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.95% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -12.24% and 15.58%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 36.65% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.03% and 39.52%. This translates to a price range of $45.73 to $61.33 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings a positive headline. Intel stock price ended at $43.96 on Friday, with a gain of 0.664%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 24, 2023, the Intel stock price increased by 0.664%, starting at $43.67 and ending at $43.96. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 0.89%, reaching a low of $43.61 and a high of $44. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them and has seen a total increase of 16.3% in the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 18 million, with a total of 13 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $570.41 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume despite higher prices could indicate potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $44.93, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the stock is trading at 2.16% lower than its 52-week high, which is a difference of 97 cents. It is also 36.56% lower than its all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform with a hold action. In contrast, HSBC upgraded Intel with a hold action on the same day, October 27, 2023. Finally, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS maintained a neutral grade for Intel with a hold action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend investing in Intel, with a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given Intel stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll analyze the signals for Intel stock. Let's dive in. The Intel stock shows promising signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, the stock will find support from the lines at $43.40 and $37.85. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. An interesting observation is that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. We should closely monitor the stock in light of this divergence. On the flip side, there are some negative signals to consider, which could impact the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.74% so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's giving us a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave us a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is showing a buy signal 21 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave us a sell signal 12 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is giving us a buy signal 19 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave us a buy signal 21 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 166 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel has found support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile during the day, and it carries a higher risk. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at recent trends, Intel had a price range of $0.390 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.89% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.42%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Intel, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either not making profits or is experiencing losses. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.430. It's essential to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $44.74. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, potentially anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 35,135 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 17,420 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 35,135 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider sell of 3,224 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -31.890. Overall, insiders have purchased 39,552,483 shares and sold 77,326,320 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $42.38, which is a decrease of 3.59%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. In fact, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating a potential buying opportunity for Intel stock in the short term. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued, suggesting caution. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we anticipate Intel stock to open lower at $0.103 and begin trading at $43.86. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Therefore, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so be sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful overall experience. Thank you for being a part of Stock Invest.